Which one are we using? Does this one go lower? Can you get it down to the water level? Thank you. Getting his view. All right, you guys good? Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Afternoon. How you doing, sir? Good. Okay. 22.
19 February 2003.
Thank you. $14, 16, 17. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. You guys good?
Yeah. Door caught the draft.
You alright?
Draft kit.